Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so Live View will work. Sign into your Google account, then enable location and high accuracy mode so GPS and Wi-Fi assist positioning. Open the Google Maps app or Maps. Google, com in a desktop browser. Once done, tap the blue location dot or the target icon to center the map on you. Make sure you allow camera access if prompted, because Live View uses the camera to overlay directions on the real scene. Next, you trigger Live View and align the device. Choose walking directions or a supported route, then tap Live View when available. You will be asked to point the camera at nearby buildings and walk a few steps while Google calibrates AR alignment. Do that slowly, rotating so the app sees multiple landmarks. As it locks, on-screen arrows and distance labels appear. Follow them. If you need a different route, choose it before reactivating Live View, so overlays match the path. To finish, keep following the AR arrows and distance markers until you reach your destination, or tap the map view to switch perspectives. If the overlay drifts or is inaccurate, stop and recalibrate. Move the phone in a figure 8, rotate slowly, or toggle location and camera permissions off and on. Also check that compass calibration and sensor permissions are enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if Live View fails repeatedly, restart the app and device. This clears sensor locks and usually restores accurate AR positioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.